Yeah, hi. My name is JayKumar. I head technology for a company called Joyalukkas India Limited. We are into retail, gold and diamond manufacturing and retail outlets. So we are one of the largest retailer companies in India and globally as well. See, one is you need to be very up to date on the technology because a lot of changes happening. Technology is one field where there are a lot of things happen very frequently. So you look at your there are a lot of competition available in the market and there are a lot of business requirements. So you need to be very updated and you need to be ahead of your competition to get the best out of the vendors. So that is one thing. And secondly, if you look at the BFSI segment or retail segment, customers are important. So a lot of customers database you have, you should be able to. The opportunities are basically from new customers and how to use the existing customers. So you have to have a good database there and keep generating business from these guys. And also you look at what additional offers that you can give to the new customers and make them happy. So these are the challenges that you have in the industry. Yeah, so there are a couple of major initiatives that we have done. One is a major cloud adoption. We have moved our application entirely onto the cloud. So it's part of the Microsoft cloud stack. That's one thing which we did, and we have done it in phases. And the first phase is done already. So we are also moving into the second phase, which is going to be done globally. Now India is done globally. It is going to be completed probably in the next 6 months, and we are also looking for building something on the customer experience side. So because of there are a lot of requirement on the customer experience side. So there is a single view of a customer, 360-degree view of a customer, because there are multiple areas from where we get businesses. So you get a single view. Customers can come in from various channels, and this is going to give you a better option there. So as I said, there are two major areas that I'll be focusing on. One is the customer experience side. We need to provide a better experience to the customers to be with us. That is first thing. Second is we also need to look at the analytics solutions. So analytics piece is another one which we are looking at, and so these are the major areas that we will do. See, one is the first thing is you need to have a robust ERP system. Okay, so your key is the billing. Timely billing. Customers are able to get the product in time and leave the showrooms as early as possible. So that's one. So you need to be very clear on that. Your TAT is that. So you need to have a good system there. Second is omni-channel environment. Multiple channel. Earlier we had people coming in from multiple channels. You need to have a single channel. So all these channels are going to be integrated and give customer a single, get a single listing. So that is another priority. Then there are a lot of, on-premise solutions are getting outdated. So you need to look at technology that is, you can move into the cloud, get a better advantage there in terms of pay-per-use model. Use your infrastructure. You don't have to provision too much of infrastructure, too much of software. Pay as you want. Model. So that's going to be the trend going forward.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.